back to Yara's reading time. If you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a huge thumbs up. And if you already know my channel and you've subscribed and done all of that, then let's get reading. Today we're going to be reading Cooking with the Cat by Dr. Seuss. Sorry it took a long time for me to show you the book. I was reading what is this book about? Do you want to hear it too? Okay. The book is about cooking with the cat. The cat bakes cupcakes. What a treat. We hope that they are good to eat. I've read this book. Do you know what he puts in his cupcake? He puts ham. Blech. Who wants that kind of cupcake? But I'm just saying blech because he puts jam with it. Oh. Look, the cat wants to cook. And if you haven't seen the movie, go check it out. It's really funny. These are the two boys. This is the boy and girl that at the end of the movie, not the end, the house is a mess. A really big mess. Look, a book. The cat has a cookbook. We need a tin. Which tin will win? Which tin will win? That doesn't make much sense. But I guess they mean so which tin will be picked? The thin tin is best. Put back the rest. He really likes to make rhymes, don't you think? We need ham and jam. Told you, that doesn't make cupcakes. Lots and lots of pots. We spot the pot. So this is what it means. They're looking for a pot, and the spot the pot means he found the pot that he needs. They just make it in a playful language and figurative language. In my class, they call it figurative language, but it's actually the real name. But for young readers like you guys, it's called playful language. Hot shot into the pot. A pot shot, not so hot. I can see they put even a dog bone and a bird inside the cupcakes. Who even makes that? And if you can see his dizzy, the one bone it's ooh. We take a seat. We start to beat. No, we do not eat the treat. We beat. And the beat isn't the funky beat, when you get bopping. And now I keep using it. So, when you dance to music, not that kind of beat. Or the beat to actually eat, the food. This, it's mix it up. And we beat, not eat the treat. Okay, yeah. It's and she's no, not now. And the second you'll be able to eat. Do not slop the glop on top. What are they thinking? And glop is what you have made or something like that. Stop that glop. Mop up that glop. Look, he calls it thing. Thing 1 and thing 2. Do not drop the mop in glop. You should not drop your mop in glop. Then the mop will get dirty too. Oh, come on. You know this. You know it's glop, silly. We heat the treat. A spot on the pot. Oh no, there's a spot on the pot. Whoopsie. A spot means like you find a little blob of something on that thing. Got the pot. Ding. They are done. A neat seat to eat a treat. We eat and eat and eat. Who even eats those kind of cupcakes? Like literally. Who even eats them? This treat cannot be beat. Beat means like it can't be beaten. Like it can't be won over. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video and goodbye. And you can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Bye.